All right, guys, back here with a review. I'm doing it inside today because it's a little rainy outside, but I wanted to get this video out. This is the new Primary Arms GLX MD-21s red dot. It's pretty cool. It's ACSS reticle. See if I can get my light here to be not so bad. It's washing it out, isn't it? There we go. Pretty cool though. And it has all those reticle styles. Freeze that there if you want to read all that stuff. Lifetime warranty, of course. Primary Arms, man. Primary, you just can't beat their stuff. All right, let's get it out of the box and take a look at it. Come on now. All right, there's that. All right, it's got the all the information, little manuals, test sheet, cleaning cloth. That's how it comes in the box right here. You've got another type of mount for you. Another like a riser and things to adjust the height of it. They send you all the keys and the Allen wrenches for all the adjustments and everything, which is cool. And some extra screws and things that you might need. Everything. All right, here we go. Here's the actual reticle. Get all this stuff out of the way here. That is it right there. And it comes with the scope bra. So that's it. It is not etched. So it's very cool. And it is solar powered, guys. Back up. So that's pretty cool right there. See if I can get this thing on. There we are. Now, I always have difficulty doing this. There's the reticle right there. And of course, it actually looks a lot bigger than that than on my video. And that is not even full brightness. It is daylight bright. There you go. That's the brightest. There it is, daylight bright right there. Wow. And it, you know, looking at it with my eye versus that, the reticle is bigger than what the camera shows. Probably about 3 times bigger. But man, it is super bright. And it's got the shake awake and all that stuff on it, so very cool. I don't remember how I did it. I think it's just the that turns it off. But anyway, very cool optic, guys. Very cool. Primary Arms. I mean, I got a little bit of fingerprint on there, damn it. Primary Arms, though, man, is an outstanding optics. You know me. I have liked Primary Arms. I use Primary Arms. I have many of them. And they are very cool optics. Very cool. Trying to get a decent look at it. I'll see if I can get some better video here in a minute. But yeah, Primary Arms, guys. Outstanding optics. Outstanding. Full lifetime warranty. You just can't beat them. You just can't beat them. And the ACSS Reticle is just freaking killer. I mean, it's already there. Everything is lined out for you. Your holds, your distance shots, everything. So, and this is a CQB, but it's got a little bit of ranging features on it too as well, like a lot of their stuff though, which is cool. So anyway, this is just an overview. We will take this out and we will do some testing with it before long. Outstanding stuff, guys. Multiple mounts, different risers for different heights and stuff, whatever makes it comfortable for you. But links will be below in the comments. Go check them out. And if you like what you see, man, get you one. Because, I mean, any of their optics, whatever you decide is killer. So, I mean, they have multiple different ones, you know, so. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for now. Keep it heavy.